What's up, everybody? It's been a great day today. Did two job checks. Checked in on Jeff and Mike at the Roney residence. We are doing some vinyl plank flooring in the bathroom, new baseboards, and then we have a guy coming in to reglaze the jacuzzi tub. It's gonna look great. Everybody's happy. The guys are doing great. The client's super happy. After that, I went and checked on the Han project. That's Sean's job. So I went up there because today was the start date, and I noticed. Well, I was just going there to do a job check anyways. But when I got there, I realized I never even collected a deposit on that job. So I went there, met the husband and wife, great people. They had amazing toys out front, and they had an RV, a huge trailer. They had like a little off road vehicle. The guy had this badass what do you call it? A trike. It was a motorcycle, but it had like the two wheels in the back, badass motorcycle, man. He had a chopper next to it, man. These guys are living the dream. But yeah, so great people I got to meet today. Picked up a deposit for that job right as I was leaving. Sean and the crew showed up. We went over the game plan. Everything is great. Everybody's happy. These are the kind of days that we want every single day. I mean, majority of the time, like this is how business goes. But yeah, we love days like this, guys, and I hope everybody else is also having a great day. Thank you.